Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Levin and I'm a pre-sales engineer at UiPath, and today we'll be talking about email classification with AI Fabric. Before we run the automation, let's take a look at the emails the robot will be classifying. You can see here there are 14 emails and they all have different bodies. Additionally, on the left-hand side, you can see the 9 classifications. These emails will be moved into these folders based on the classification. Now let's mark them all as unread and take a look at the workflow. Here is the UiPath workflow. It starts with gathering the emails, classifying an email. If it's above a certain confidence threshold, moving it to the classified folder, otherwise moving it to unclassified for human intervention later. Now as we see the ML skill activity, this is connected to the model hosted in AI Fabric. There is a provided description of the model and a description of what the input and output of the model is. Now let's run this workflow. You can see the robot begin to read the email, classify the email, and move that email into the correct folder. Additionally, I would like to point out that while this use case is related to the banking industry and customer service requests, this use case can be altered for any text classification in any industry. Now that the automation is complete, let's take a look at the classified emails. On the left-hand side, you can see the number of emails that were classified and moved into each folder, as we look at debt collection, consumer loan, and mortgage for some examples. Thank you for listening to this demo on AI Fabric and email classification.